First, line up the rack holes with the bolt holes in the frame. Then, thread the bolts through the rack into the frame. Make sure you do not cross-thread the bolts. Using your 4mm hex or Allen key, tighten the 6 bolts that hold the rack on.
For any additional questions, contact us at arielrider.com.
First, insert the 4 bolts through the holes on the bottom of the cargo basket. Then, slide the 4 rubber washers onto the bolts. This should ensure they don't fall off. Now, line up the 4 bolts with the corresponding bolt holes on the rack. After that, we will be sliding on a washer, then the nut. Tighten the nuts down. Make sure the basket and rack are secure. For any additional questions, contact us at www.arielrider.com.